Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll be working on Ford Fiesta MK7. The generation from 2008 to 2017, that includes the ST model as well, and we're going to show you guys a quick video how to remove or replace your shifter leather boot right here. If you want to replace it with a different color or different stitching, let's say black with red stitching, which looks pretty cool, we'll show you guys how to do that. Stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it now. All the tools that we'll be using, they will be in the description of the video below, so make sure you check it out. That way, if you need anything, you know how to find it quick. We'll try to list everything that we use. So what we need to do next, we're going to remove the shifter knob. Okay, first right here. So you grab it with your hand and you start turning it, okay, counterclockwise. Make sure the emergency brake is on all the way up, because the car will be in neutral. Okay, and there is one spring, guys, right here. So you have to be careful because that spring can fly in your eyes. So be careful. This is one for the reverse. Okay, and you can see the shifter knob is out of here. You can remove the spring as well. I'll just set them on the side. Next you need a panel removal tool. Okay, and right here you're going to pry a little bit, okay, to get this thing out. And then you need to pull a little bit towards the front, okay, like that. We need to do the same thing on this side. Okay, and on this side it's a little bit tighter. One of the sides will be always, okay, a little bit tighter, so let me just grab it quick. So again, the same thing, and you need to go towards the back, okay, like that. You have to be careful not to break anything. Now, with the plastic removal tool, there is a clip here and one clip here. Now you have to be careful. Sometimes they will fall off, so you have to hunt for them once you remove the panel. Okay, and you need to start working your way up there. There is two more clips. Now you need to disconnect the wires. Once I disconnect them, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Okay, so these wires, guys, on the bottom side you have a thing that you press down. Okay, right here, press down and pull. So let me show you now where all the clips are. Okay, you can see right here you have two clips, two right here. Okay, ours two are missing right here. So those fell out, and two on top. Even without the middle ones, you can still do it, but usually they'll be down there. And you can reach them by removing the shifter board right here. So since you got the panel out of the way, if you want to remove, okay, the leather boot and replace it, all we have to do, just push up now. Okay, it gets here a few clips, and you can go ahead and remove it like that. So you can see this is the boot, guys. Now it's important, okay, how you remove it from that point on. So you can see the teeth right here. You need to spread both of those out. Okay, you just get them with a small screwdriver or a plastic tool, spread them out, and that thing comes apart, so you don't need to worry about that one. And next, all you have to do, this is you can see, just like a paper punch thing, but heavy duty one. So all you have to do, just remove those, okay, and install your new one just the same way that this one was installed. So you can see that's how you guys remove it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.